Say hi to Mimi. Mimi gave you a new gift today. So this is the first time that Lily's going to have her new sippy cup. Not going well with sippy cups these days. What's that? What's that? Oh, wow, that was good. What's that? Close. Get in there. Maybe I should fill it a little more. Do you like it? Lily, can you say hi to Mimi and Grandpa? Can you say hi? Say hi to Mimi and Grandpa. Hi? You say hi? Okay. Oh, we dropped it. Say hi. Do you want your toy? Okay, Mommy will get it. Say hi. Hi. Hi.